Hi there, it's Brandon Na with Seattle Organic SEO. Create another video for you to help you understand a little bit more about Google Analytics, a very important component of tracking your website performance. Well, if you haven't heard, Google is coming out with the next generation of Google Analytics called GA4. And GA4 is frankly the next standard in which they'll handle all the analytics. But there's a confusing aspect that's been, kind of happening, which is when you set up Google Analytics accounts, typically you're used to a UA code like this being set up on the back end of your website. But when you set up typically a new account, like we're going to show you here, it actually bypasses that if you don't do a specific thing. And so one of the reasons why we're creating this video here today is to help you, frankly, figure out how to create that code in case you want to add that. So let's say we create a new website and add this in. You can do the checkboxes or not. It's up to you if you want spam or not from Google. And then you basically add the property. So this kind of could be like your main site, for example. But here's the step that a lot of people don't realize when you need to actually create a UA code, if that's the way you're dealing with things. And so basically you click on the advanced options, show advanced options, and it says create universal analytics property. So if you do that, and then you put in your website, so mywebsite.com, it will actually create a new UA code, which is considered a universal analytics code that looks exactly like this UA number that I had shown about. And so all you have to do is basically do that. And once you are there, it will hopefully provide that information for you. Obviously you have to pick out the different aspects of literally their terms of service and all the other details and whatnot. And once you do accept that, it should perhaps, or not should, but it will give you a new UA code. And so all you have to do is, frankly, look at the property settings here, and then within here, I believe you can see the information regarding what the site is right here. So UA201, blah, 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 and then you are set for that new website. So anyway, hopefully that helps in case you were curious as to how to create that new UA code, especially if you're using Wix or another site that hasn't necessarily advanced or moved forward with the new standard yet. This is the quick way of getting that UA code. Hopefully that helps, and have a great day. That was another video from Brandon at Seattle Organic SEO.